Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm getting over a little bit of a cold, but I did really want to get out a video for you guys. So here is a little haul of just supplies and resources from our last couple of trips to the store. So the first few things are from Dollar Tree. I picked up these anchor charts. My boys really like to have like multiple visuals of what they're learning. So I picked up this one that has synonyms and root words. And so I thought that would come in handy. And then this one is fractions and place value. Now we already have the place value, but I wanted for the fractions. So I picked up those two. And then this little clouds wheel thing, and they have so many of these fun little circles for the different cycles of life, of a frog, of a butterfly, the water cycle. And this is all about clouds. We do have a unit on clouds planned, so I thought this would come in handy. And then I got this little compartment thing for the kids' Legos. Sometimes they're working on something and it's time to clean up, but they are not done with their little projects. So this is a good way to just keep all the pieces that they're using together, and they can also carry it on the go. And the box is actually pretty sturdy, like it won't just pop open. I got some Sour Patch for their little goodie bags and some puzzles. We are trying to replenish our puzzle box, so we got that. And then this like beaded thing, I'm not sure what it is. They only had SpongeBob, but I am going to be going back to see if they have other characters. And then this little fidget toy, which is a favorite. I got to go back and get more. And this was actually filmed like last month. I had every intention of adding this little haul like in one of my vlogs, and it just never happened. But this was for 4th of July. These are like glow in the dark ones. And then I also got some fun 4th of July glasses, and I picked up some more flashcards. These are addition for Diego. These are 0 to 12. I think we have the set that we already have was like add up to 15 or something like that, so I got these. And then I picked up these crayon boxes to hold their crayons. Sometimes they're working on a specific craft and they don't want to have to be digging through the same little bin. We have our crayons in a little caddy, so if they put it back, then they lose it and they don't get the same shade color. So we had a few complaints about that, so I picked up those just so they can keep them together. And now these are from Walmart. These are their little sketch journals. They have the perforated line so you can rip out the page, and then I love it because it's got pretty thick paper, and then in the front they have this clear pocket up front so they can make their own little covers. I've purchased so many of these, and the boys always make their own covers, but this time I thought it'd be fun to have David play around with the Word document and just try to make the cover page on the computer, to play around with the fonts and the word art and all that, clip art, and all the fun stuff. And then also from Dollar Tree, I picked up this craft paper roll. This is just so much easier when we're doing crafts for cleanup. Just roll it out on the table, do the craft, and then keep all the trash in there and just wrap it up. And so that was from our first trip to the store. And then these are from Amazon. I got this giant poppet, and on one side it's got multiplication tables, so 2 times 2, 4, and so forth. And I thought this was just a fun manipulative for David to check his work, for those easier days. And on the other side it's addition, so 4 plus 3, 7. And yeah, these are just for fun. I also got these hands-free poker cards. They're card holders. So we play, Go Fish and all these other card games, and I can't think of any right now. Anyway, and this is just to help my little guy Diego hold his cards because he's always scrambling trying to figure out the cards. So they stand on their own, and then you push on that little thing, and then you can put the cards in there. So that'll be fun. And then these fraction circles, now they are still taped together so they're not falling apart, but we are going to get into fractions this year, and I thought this was a fun manipulative to have. We also have, I think, the bar ones, like it's got like the bar cut into different pieces, but the circles, I don't know, just to switch it up a little bit. So I picked up this one, and I like that it comes in this little case so I can put it away nice and neat. And I got the Cat Kit Comic Club. This one is collaborations. This is the newest one. I think they're coming out with another one already, but we already have the first 3 books, and this series just really helped my 7-year-old enjoy writing, not be, so scared of making mistakes or his ideas being silly or not good enough. This little series really helped him have his little breakthrough in writing. So I got that, and then these little tangram pieces, is that what they're called? Yeah, the boys love these. I've shared with you guys that I have so many of these like little pieces, puzzle cards, and they're just fun to play with. It's fun to have the boys start making these creations, the cards, and then they just make their own eventually, so they can play with these for hours. And I thought this was just a fun one to add to their morning basket or for independent time. So got that. And these 2 are actually from Costco. This is the Ultimate Brain Teaser, and we are going to get into logic a little bit, and I thought these were a fun little start to that. And it's just got word search and Sudoku puzzles, picture Sudoku, crossword, and it's got obviously all the answers in the back so he can check them or I can check them. Yeah, so I got that. They also had a coloring one and then a sticker one, but we have so many sticker books. I thought this one was a good one for my 7-year-old, almost 8. And this was $9.49. And then the next one, we got the first 50 facts human body. We actually already have the first 50 facts of animals, I think. Yeah, so this is actually a little flip book, so you can go ahead and read it and see all the fun facts, and then flip the flap and it tells you a little fact about it. So we have a unit on all the body systems, so I thought this was a fun addition to supplement that unit that we will be working on in the year. So these are fun. And they also have a dinosaur one along with the animals and the body. Then I saw a bunch of people posting that Walmart brought out all of their school supplies. So we headed to Walmart, and my Walmart still had a bunch of empty shelves. So we only picked up a couple of things. I got some erasers, some pencils, and then their spiral notebooks that they picked out. These are both wide ruled, but because Walmart didn't have a whole lot, I was curious as to what Target had. So we headed over to Target and we picked up a few things. Again, my Target also had lots of empty shelves. They were still putting the stuff up, taking down all the summer and 4th of July stuff and putting up school supplies. So we picked up some sharpeners. I like to add a sharpener to their pencil box just so they can have it. So they'll have an eraser, a pencil, a sharpener, so they can have it there. And then I got these pencil grips for Diego. He's okay with the pencil grip, but these are just fun, and I don't know, he likes them. So we got those. And I got some mechanical pencils. Now, they still write down too hard, so the lead breaks, but I thought these were fun to try. And then David picked up this pyramid puzzler from the dollar spot. So that is what we got from Target, Walmart, Costco, Amazon, Dollar Tree, all of the above. So we will be heading back for more school supplies, so stay tuned for that. But for now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and your patience. I will see you guys on the next one.